Bienvenidos a Learn Spanish World. Aquí no aprendemos español de libros, sino el español que se habla en la vida real. Soy el señor Briggs, your certified native speaking teacher with over 20 years of experience. And today, you're going to learn 10 daily Spanish phrases that native speakers of Spanish use constantly, but that most learners never get taught in school. So if you're tired of sounding robotic and want to sound more like a real Spanish speaker, natural, without feeling shy but being confident, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Let's go. Vamos. Frases. 1 minute each with real-life examples plus practice. Qué fuerte. That's intense. Wow, that's crazy. Qué fuerte. That's intense. Wow, that's crazy. Let's see a few examples. ¿Supiste que despidieron a Laura? Did you hear that they fired Laura? Qué fuerte. See if you can say it with a bit of emphasis. ¡Qué fuerte! That's crazy. Número 2. Anda ya. Get out of here. No way. Anda ya. Use when surprised or doubting something. Anda ya. For example, dicen que ganó la lotería. They saying that he won the lottery. ¿En serio? Anda ya. Watch till the end. We are going to cover en serio, which means seriously. There's a ton of material for you to discover. Now, this is popular in Spain, but Latin Americans will understand. 3. Venga. Come on. Let's go. It's also Spain-based, but it's very fun to act out. For example, venga, hombre, no exageres. There's also an alternate use. For example, venga, vamos al cine. Okay, let's go to the movies. Número 4. Qué rollo. What a drag. This sucks. Qué rollo. This is used for boredom or annoyance. For example, tenemos que esperar 2 horas. ¡Qué rollo! We have to wait 2 hours. That sucks. ¡Qué rollo! Don't forget to express it with attitude. Act it out. ¡Qué rollo! ¡Qué rollo! Número 5. ¡Qué guay! How cool! In Spain. In Mexico, ¡qué padre! For example, you can say, ¿te gusta la peli? ¿Te gusta la película? Sí, qué guay, if you were in Spain. ¿Te gusta la peli? If you were in Mexico, qué padre. So the alternative for Latin America is qué bacán, widely used in Peru and Chile, or qué chido in Mexico. Did you like the movie in Chile? Bacán. Did you like the movie in Mexico? Qué chido. Número 6. ¿En serio? Seriously? Are you serious? This is very common in all regions across the Spanish-speaking world. For example, llegó el profe temprano. ¿En serio? The teacher arrived early. Now, tone is everything. You can say it's surprised, annoyed, or sarcastic. Número 7. Ni de coña. No way in hell. This is very informal and is mainly used in Spain. For example, ¿te casarías con él? Would you marry him? Ni de coña. Now, regional and cheeky. I need to explain that it's a slang. This expression is vulgar, but you need to know it. It is quite rude. You still need to be aware of some regional and cheeky ways of speaking Spanish. Número 8. Ojo. Watch out. Heads up. Native phrase for warning or drawing attention. For example, ojo con esa calle, es peligrosa. Ojo, que viene el jefe. Ojo means eye, but it's used like a careful. Ojo con esa calle, es peligrosa. Be careful, that street is dangerous. Ojo, que viene el jefe. Be careful, the boss is coming. Número 9. ¡Qué lío! What a mess. This is chaotic. This is also used across the Spanish-speaking world. For example, ¡qué lío en la oficina hoy! What a mess in the office today. No entiendo nada. ¡Qué lío de tarea! I don't understand anything. What a mess. How chaotic. Don't forget to say with a little tinge of drama. Número 10. Estoy hecho polvo. Meaning, I'm exhausted. It literally means I turn to dust. That's how tired you are. For example, ¿cómo estás? Estoy hecho polvo después del trabajo. Meaning, I'm wrecked after work. Now, let's say both masculine and the feminine forms. If you are a female, you would say, estoy hecha polvo. If you are a male, you would say, estoy hecho polvo. All right, let us wrap up. Now you've learned 10 daily phrases that native speakers use all the time. You'll hear them in shows, in movies, in real-life conversation, and now you can also use them. Please give this video a like if you learned something, and leave a comment. It truly helps my channel, and it will allow me to continue producing free resources for you, free videos on a regular basis. Now, if you are interested in downloading the PDF for this specific lesson, plus a ton of additional resources, don't forget to download my Spanish collection from my website at learnspanishworld.com. You will have access to tons of material. And the good news is I update it on a weekly basis. So next week you will be able to access the new PDFs also. Okay, my dear amigos, please subscribe and keep learning real Spanish, no robot Spanish. Hasta la próxima. Chao, chao. Cuídate. Take care.